is a very cheap device. But I only paid, I don't know, I'm not even going to tell you because it's really cheap. Anyway, so I thought that I would get my own drone because many times with the captain, he has a very expensive Mavic Pro, but he won't ever fly it because I don't know, it has to be the right thing, it's never charged, he doesn't feel like it, so many variables make him not ever fly this drone. And I always want to have drone footage, so I bought my own drone. So I'm trying to learn how to fly it, and thank goodness I'm inside the boat because the drone just literally went freaking nuts. I can't even explain it. It really attacked me. So I'm going to try it again, and I'll let you see what happens. And hopefully it won't come at me anymore. Alright, we're going to try this again and see what happens. But last time it was not great. Alright. I'm a little scared. I really am. I'm scared of this thing. That was not great. I don't know why it keeps coming toward me, but I don't like it. I'm very scared of this thing. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's bad. It like really got me. Man, this is not good. All right, maybe if I could get on the other side of it, maybe, because it keeps coming toward me. I guess I have a gravitational pull. But I'm gonna try to do it again. I'm gonna do it better. All right, I'm gonna try this again. Don't know what's gonna happen. It's probably gonna be bad. All right, go this way. Okay. All right, I'm way back here because I'm really afraid. Okay. Why does it keep coming at me? Oh no. Wonder it came with extra blades. Okay, that was terrible. This is giving me a heart attack. This is making my stomach very upset. I don't like this. No matter what part of the boat, no matter if I get on this side or this side, it always comes at me. I don't know what's going on. I'm very scared of this thing. All right, because I'm perseverant and I don't give up, I'm going to try this one more time. But if it comes at me, I'm going to kick it across the room and say I'm done with drones. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Alright, let's try this one more time. Right, so this one's facing this way. Try it facing that way. Okay. And turn it on. Okay. Whoa, I'm doing it. Oh, no. Oh, no, get away from me! Ah! It's coming after me again! Stop! What is happening? That was better. Okay, that was definitely better that time. It was definitely better. But it still came after me, and I was in a completely different part of the boat. I don't know what's going on. Help! Send help! I'm very scared of this thing. Okay, I'm still not giving up because I did get better, so maybe I just need some practice. Let's try it again. If I'm never heard from again, please send help. Okay, get over here. I'm safe. All right, let's see don't come at me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Why does it keep coming back to me? Oh, it landed. Oh, I like that. Oh, I did better. Okay. All right. I really don't know what I did to land it. Okay. And do this. Getting better. Okay. Let's see. Oh no! Oh, come back! Oh, that was not good. I think I killed it. Okay, let's try it again. No wonder it came with extra blades. Oh my. Okay. All right. Ready? Gonna do it. Dying now. I think I may have permanently damaged my drone. Oh well. I think I've killed the drone. I think I ran it into too many walls. I know you're not supposed to fly it inside. I didn't want to fly it into the water, so I thought I would just fly it inside and just make it go up and make it go down, and it kept coming after me. I don't know why. It just wanted to get me. Well, you know, I did pay only $35 for it with shipping. What do you expect? Well, anyway, it's a fun experience. And I think I have all of my fingers still intact, even though I have some cuts on my legs and my hands where I kept trying to turn it off when the blades were running. But, well. That's me. Thanks for watching.